Jupiter going to Gemini.
Jupiter in Gemini.
Jupiter enters Gemini May 25th, 2024, and will stay here for a full year until June 8th of 2025.
Jupiter moving into Gemini, and I'm quite excited about this one because I have Jupiter in Gemini natally.
This upcoming Jupiter in Gemini.
Jupiter moving in the sign of Gemini, which will happen on the 26th of May 2024.
New video about Jupiter in Gemini.
On May 25th, 2024, we're going to have the planet of Jupiter, also known as the Great Benefic. It's going to move from the grounded earth sign of Taurus, where it's been for the last year, into the air sign of Gemini.
In Gemini transit.
Talking about Jupiter entering Gemini.
We're going to be talking about big Jupiter transits of 2024, including the Jupiter-Saturn squares, Pluto squared Jupiter, and Jupiter in Gemini. So Jupiter moving into Gemini.
Today I'm going to explore the journey of the mighty Jupiter through the quick-witted, fleet-footed sign of Gemini.
Jupiter's ingress in Gemini.
Jupiter in Gemini.
But Jupiter's entering Gemini in 2024 as well.
Jupiter's upcoming entrance into the sign of Gemini.
Jupiter, the planet of growth, expansion, and abundance, will be changing signs from Taurus to Gemini on May the 25th.
And one of the biggest events of May, and I mean big, is that Jupiter is changing signs. Jupiter is going into Gemini.
Biggest event of the month is that Jupiter is entering Gemini.
Ready for some fresh air? Jupiter, the planet of expansion and opportunity, enters the brainy sign of Gemini on May 25th.
This year, 2024, Jupiter is coming into Gemini.
Lucky ducky Jupiter, enter your sign, whether you're Sun, Moon, or Rising Gemini, for the whole next year from May 25th.
اجينا على الجوزاء. الجوزاء يلي بدي اقول له يا واخيرا انت داخل على الشهر بده يوصل المشتري لعندك. احذروا المشتري الجوزاء شو عامل.
المشتري كوكب الخير، كوكب البركة، وكوكب الرزق، وكوكب الحكمة، وكوكب العطاء، رح ينتقل لبرج الجوزاء.
في 25 من مايو سيدخل المشتري في برج الجوزاء.
حدث فلكي خلال هذا العام واللي هو المشتري الذي سينتقل إلى برج الجوزاء.
الأكبر المشتري جوبيتر إلى برج الجوزاء.
مشتري الجوزاء، المشتري في برج الجوزاء.
الله حينتقل لبرج الجوزاء.
نتكلم عن دخول المشتري لبرج الجوزاء يوم 25 مايو.
إنه المشتري سينتقل لبرج الجوزاء لبرج جديد وراح يقضي معنا سنة كاملة.
Jupiter going to Gemini.